My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Lizard Squad. Lizard Squad is the ransomware that attacks Windows computers all over the world today. The ransomware is able to considerably damage the files that the customers store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. Before the ransomware attack, you can clearly see that there are no problems opening the files. However, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And then pretty soon you may realize that something bad has happened with the files and that you cannot use your files anymore because the ransomware encrypts all these files and modifies them up to the extent of complete impossibility to use this data. Now you can clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack called Lizard Squad. So you can also see that the background of the desktop wallpaper has been changed, and it is now showing this image of Lizard Squad. The ransomware actually encrypts the files and appends a random extension to these files. This random extension consists of 4 random characters. So there is no point to mention the extension because in each specific file it is random. You try to open this specific file and you get the message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file. The ransomware shows the ransom note in Chinese and in English. And it says that people need to pay the ransom and to contact the developers using this email address. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money for nothing without getting the files restored. So don't ever pay the ransom. We recommend you to immediately get rid of this ransomware. We suggest that you do that with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, but to download it you will need to use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts may also be modified by this ransomware. So through Internet Explorer, go to the official website of Combo Cleaner antivirus, combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, then begin researching your system with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode, and it will first of all update its anti-malware database, so it might take some time for that. While the scanning is taking place, I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So go to the settings, select anti-ransomware, and you will see this feature as available in the premium license of Combo Cleaner. So the scanning itself will of course take some time. The scanning duration may depend on various factors. It may depend on how infected your computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. At the end of the scan, you will see the information about threats, about their exact locations on the system. We strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license to remove all these threats altogether and to keep your data always protected in the future.